Hello everyone, I am Nitisha from the 9 Pointer, and today we are going to link our Microsoft Excel table or sheet or any data to our AutoCAD. So let's go ahead and see how we can do it. First, we will go and select our region, whatever we want to export. So I have selected our table here. Now we will go ahead and let's give a name to this table or this region. So let's go to this formula tab, and here we are having this option for defining the name. So let's go and define the name. Let's give it a name of table data, table underscore data, and OK. Now we have defined the name, so we'll go and save this file. So for saving, we will press Control S and let's save our file to this desktop. Let's change the name to Excel file and save. Okay, after saving, we will just go and close our Excel sheet. Here we can see we are having our Excel file. Now let's go and open our AutoCAD. Now for linking or bringing that table in this AutoCAD, we will go ahead and enter the command of DL, cap D and L, and press enter. Here you will get a data link manager. Another alternative to open this data link manager is to go in this insert tab, and here we are having this data link option. So you can choose any of them. Now let's go and create a new Excel data link. So let's go and select this option. Let's give it a name of DL and press OK. Now we have got this another window, that is new Excel sheet data link. Here we have to just enter the location of our Excel file. So let's go and click on this three dots and just select our Excel file wherever you have saved. Now let's give it some time to load. After loading, our sheet will come like this. Now it will ask that you have to link entire sheet or you want to link our named region. So we have already named or defined our table. So let's go and select this option. Now we are having only one table there. So this is the name was table data, and we'll go ahead and press OK. And again OK. Now for drawing the table, you can either go in this home tab. We are having this table option, or you can give the command of table. So let's go and we will just go and select this from a data link. Now go to this drop down and select our name, that is a DL we gave, and press OK. So here we are having this table. Let's go and place it anywhere. So now what is the advantage of getting it from the data link? That if you change any data in this Excel sheet, then that data can be automatically updated in this table, in this AutoCAD. So let's go and see how. Let's go and again open our Excel file. Let's change some of the data here. Let's go and change our 2 to 2 here, this data to 444, and press enter. Now let's go ahead and save our file and close it. Again open our AutoCAD, and now for updating our data, we'll just go ahead and right click. Now here we are having this option of update data link, update table data links. So go ahead and select this option and click outside. So here we see our data is updated. So that's it for this video. If you're having any doubt or any difficulty to understand, you can comment down below or you can mail us on our mail ID. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned.